guys, welcome to this video. So today I'm going to tell you how to make the best study timetable for boards. And trust me, ये video देखने के बाद तुम इतना sorted feel करोगे ना, because I'm going to tell you all the tips that you need to know in only by answering only 3 questions. So get a pen and paper ready and stick till the end. Also don't forget to subscribe. It motivates me a lot to make more videos for you guys, and I promise you're not going to be bored because I'm going to give you guys a lot of tips in the coming days. And let's just get into the video. सो टाइम टेबल एक काफी पर्सनल चीज होती है. लाइक तुम किसी भी रैंडम इंटरनेट पे किसी भी रैंडम टाइम टेबल को लेके विच इज एपरेंटली इफेक्टिव ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि हाँ भाई हो गया मेरा. इट इज अ वेरी पर्सनल थिंग एंड यू हैव टू ओनली आस्क योर सेल्फ दीज 3 क्वेश्चंस टू मेक द बेस्ट टाइम टेबल, एंड दैट इज व्हाट टू स्टडी, how to study, and where to study. So I'm going to take you step by step through these, and by the end of this video you're going to have your best timetable to study. Okay, so answering the first question, what to study. Basically तुम्हें खुद को ये पूछना है कि तुम्हारा कितना सिलेबस बचा हुआ है. अगर तुम्हारा सिलेबस अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ, प्लीज जाके अपना सिलेबस खत्म कर दो, बिकॉज इट्स दिसंबर एंड आई थिंक एवरीबडी शुड बी डन विद द सिलेबस एटलीस्ट बाय जनवरी. इस तरीके से मैं ज्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं होगा क्योंकि बोर्ड्स फेब से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. इफ यू आर अ सीबीएसई स्टूडेंट, इफ यू आर नॉट, just please make sure you have your syllabus completed as soon as possible. That should be a priority for you guys. And if you're somebody जिसका syllabus already हो चुका है, then I would suggest you to take up the most important topics or the topics that you find difficult for your revision and go step by step through your syllabus according to what you find the easiest and the most difficult. Okay, so answering the next question, which is when to study. तो इस स्टेप में ये स्टेप बहुत सिंपल है. तुम्हें बस खुद को ये पूछना है कि तुम्हारा पढ़ने का बेस्ट टाइम कौन सा है. सो लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई पर्सनली स्टडी द बेस्ट ड्यूरिंग द मॉर्निंग्स. अभी ये भी हो सकता है कि तुम रात में अच्छे से पढ़ते हो या फिर शाम को अच्छे से पढ़ते हो या फिर दोपहर में अच्छे से पढ़ते हो, वट एवर. यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू नो when you are studying in your most efficient manner, like जो तुम पढ़ रहे हो तुम्हें actually समझ में आना चाहिए, ना कि सब ऊपर से जा रहा हो. So now once you know कि तुम्हारा पढ़ने का best time कौन सा है, you have to create study blocks. Now study blocks is basically going to be these particular periods of time जब तुम पढ़ने बैठोगे. Now what I do is that I create a biggest time slot of my day during the time where I study the best, and then after taking sufficient breaks you're gonna decide on shorter time slots. Okay, so now that you know what to study and when to study, you just have to get these together and you find out the answer to how to study. Now I know this sounds very complicated, but ये बहुत simple है. Basically तुम्हें अपना सबसे difficult subject लेके सबसे बड़े वाले time block में डालना है, और सबसे इजी वाला सब्जेक्ट जो तुम्हें लगता है अरे ये तो हो जाएगा, ये तो बहुत इजी है, तुम्हें वो अपने सबसे कम वाले टाइम स्लॉट में डालना है. नाउ फॉर दोस पीपल जिनको लग रहा है कि यार एक दिन में बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा, मेक इट इजियर फॉर योरसेल्फ एंड असाइन योर सब्जेक्ट्स टू स्पेसिफिक डेज ऑफ द वीक. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल ऑन मंडेज एंड ट्यूसडेज आई डू बीएसटी, ऑन वेडनेसडेज आई डू आईपी, एंड ऑन थर्सडेज एंड फ्राइडेज आई डू इकोनॉमिक्स. So in this way, I am studying my most difficult subject in the best possible time of the day and in the best possible manner. And on Saturdays, I just rest. Which is coming to my last point, which is very important, is that you guys need to take. It sounds very cool to be like studying all 7 days of the week and without taking breaks and like, oh no, toxic study motivation, but it's not. It's literally not. Like sacrificing your sleep, not eating, not resting can literally tire your brain to the point where you're not going to be able to focus anymore, and you're just going to end up feeling burnt out, and like उस point पे तुम्हारे दिमाग में कुछ नहीं जाने वाला. So don't do that. Don't follow that bit. I have personally made this mistake so many times where I have exhausted myself and my capacities to the point where I couldn't touch a book for a month. So don't do that to yourself. Take enough breaks in between your study blocks, in between the days. अगर तुम्हें एक दिन लग रहा है कि नहीं आज मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा पढ़ने के लिए, मत पढ़ो उतना. 1 घंटा पढ़ लो काफी है, या फिर मत पढ़ो. Just take rest on that day and make sure you start again the next day. And that's not gonna make you any less hardworking or any less efficient. Like guys, this is literally a journey. तुम्हारा एक दिन में evaluation नहीं हो रहा है. What you do long term is what matters. And trust me when I say that consistency is not doing the same thing in the same manner for the same amount of time every day. It is just doing the thing. So on the days that you don't feel like studying, study for an hour, study for 30 minutes, study for 5 minutes, and it's going to be enough. Don't push yourself to the point where you are not going to be able to walk anymore. Okay, and that was going to be the end of the video. If you like the video, do like and share and comment down below what videos you would like to see more, and I'll see you in more videos. Bye bye.